Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to connect Discord to Twitch. So if you want to connect your Twitch account to Discord, follow these simple steps. So open Discord on your desktop or in your web browser. Now click the gear icon in the bottom left corner to open settings. So click on it. Now from the left sidebar, scroll down until you see connected apps. So click on it. Now once you're here, here you can see add a new connection. So click this arrow right here to view more. Then look for Twitch logo and click on it. So first you need to sign into your Twitch account if prompted. So you can sign in with Google, etc. So just click Google, select your Google account. So once sign in, review the permissions, then click authorize to link your account. So once connected, you'll see your Twitch account listed under connections with options to display it on your profile if you want. So as you can see, we have one right here. So as you can see, my Discord account is already connected to Twitch. So if you want to disable this or to disconnect it, just click this toggle right here and it will be disconnected. Now, if you're a Twitch affiliate or partner, you can also join your subscriber-only Discord server or access subscriber perks if they're available. And that's all. So your Discord and Twitch accounts are now connected. You can now enjoy Twitch-related features directly in Discord. Thank you for watching.